ako, Miss Lars. Miss Lars, what are you looking for the next MI?
Oh, I think it's someone na hindi lang beautiful, hindi lang, alam mo yon. It's not just when it comes to MIQ kasi, people should realize and know and understand na hindi lang siya beauty and rampa and all, and gown and swimsuit. It's about being ready for the task, being ready to be the queen and be the face of the organization. And yun, siguro naman, throughout the journey, ayan, nakikita na rin nila. So, nakakarinig-rinig din ako kung sinong worthy for the crowd. So, abangan na lang natin. I'm looking for someone na committed.
Thank you, Miss Lars.
Yes.
What are you looking for the next winner?
I'm looking for someone who's committed, who is kind, of course, beautiful, inside and out.
Anong tips mo sa kanila?
Ang tips ko lang is just be yourself and enjoy the show.
You sure your followers are asking about any updates or what's next?
For me, right now I'm doing a content I'm a content creator, and also I do fashion shows, I do modeling. That's what I do right now.
So will you be going to Thailand for the...
Yes, of course. I'll be supporting who will be the winner tonight. I'll be supporting in Thailand. And I think I will be judging there. Yeah. Because every past winner will be there every year.
Are you allowed to train the next winner from the Philippines?
Allowed to train? I think so. Yeah. I will be training them if they want to, of course.
Thank you.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Hi, Sophia! So, Sophia, what are you looking for the next Miss International Queen Philippines?
Of course, just like what everyone is looking at, I think someone who's really ready to represent the Philippines and ready to take pride and honor para po i-represent po ang Pilipinas. And of course, isang queen na may good attitude at kayang makipagsabayan sa anumang bagay.
What's next for you? Any plans?
As of now, I think I'll just focus on my personal life after this.
Any tips sa mga girl?
Ang tips ko lang naman lagi is to enjoy the whole journey and of course, stay humble.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.